Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to use the all-new Hold Assist feature with a phone call on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. If you make a call and are placed on hold, there is an all-new feature in iOS 26 that will wait for you so that you can do other things. It listens for hold music playing and then alerts you when a person comes on the line so you can pick up the call. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the phone app on your iPhone and then you have to place a call as usual. After that you have to tap on the triple dot button once the call has been successfully connected. Then you have to choose the Hold Assist feature in the menu and you're all set. Your phone will now ring and you will be alerted to pick up when a person is on the line. If the iPhone detects hold music, it may also automatically prompt you to turn on the Hold Assist feature. Since the feature works by detecting hold music, it can be imperfect when a number has a voice-based automation reminding you to stay on the line if there is music with distinct lyrics. So keep this important thing in your mind. Additionally, you will also see a transcript of any spoken word so you can determine when a person is actually on the line, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily use the Hold Assist feature with a phone call on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.